Look at the camera, say, welcome to Wachusett.
How's it going, skiers and riders? I'm John, and this is your Saturday, November 30th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. It's another beautiful day here at Wachusett. Our snowmakers were blowing fresh snow onto the mountain, and our groomers laid down some fresh corduroy for your post-turkey coma enjoyment. We have 6 trails for you to get your turns in, and 4 lifts to get you all to the top. Rumor has it that 10th Mountain Trail will be opening up soon, so keep an eye out for the ropes to drop on our first Black Diamond run of the season. As always, we have some great events coming up. Black Friday deals are still going down in Mountainside Ski and Ride, and starting Monday we will have Cyber Week deals going on for you to stock up on your holiday gifts. Next Saturday, December 7th, we have a great double feature. First up, we have the Mountainside Demo Fest, where you can test out all the skis and boards you want. Then, that night, we have Snow Bash presented by REI. Come dance and have fun with all your friends and enter to win some great prizes. Be sure to check out Wachusett.com for more details on these great events. That's all I have for today. Be sure to keep an eye on social media for any updates to the mountain you might need to know about. Have a good Saturday, and I'll see you on the slopes.